So it's after school and the kids are hungry. I have air fried some mushrooms. I made it chili like, and I have them I'm putting it on some naan bread because he wants to go football. You going football, Kai?
Yes, Mum.
You're going football, all right? So he wants to eat food now. So I've air fried some chili mushrooms. He likes it crispy. My kids like everything crispy. I don't like them having fast food in the week on the streets. They do have fast food. Do you have fast food, Kyan?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. But does Mummy like you to have it all the time?
No, Mum.
No, don't like it all the time. So it's going to be chili mushrooms, yeah? I've got some avocados that I'm adding on top of the chili mushrooms and the naan bread. It's healthy. It hasn't got any trans fats, oils that aren't good for you. And the boy will have something to eat before he goes to play football. And then when he comes back, he can have his dinner, right?
Yes, Mum.
So, very simple things, guys. So eating fresh, eating vegan, and having vegan or vegetarian kids is not such a hard thing. Then I'm going to add some tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes, Kyan?
I do.
Is it your favourite, Kyan?
Yes, Mum.
It is good. So I've cut them up small. This is what the boy's having. And then I'm going to add some black pepper on top to give it some vibes. And this is after school snack for the child who wants to go to football straight after.
Ew.
What do you think?
It looks good, Mum.
Make we all do this, guys. Let's say yes to the health of ourselves and for our family. Follow for more, like and subscribe.